This is the Dime Travel. It's a bladeless mini multi-tool that's safe for use in facilities that maintain a no-knife policy. It contains butterfly opening, spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, spring-loaded scissors, small and medium flat drivers, tweezers, a fine and coarse file, and a bottle opener. The Dime Travel also features a new standout, a zipper hook, which attaches to a broken luggage zipper and opens your suitcase with ease. Pocket this handy keychain multi-tool whenever you're headed out of town. This is the Dime Travel.
Maintain peak performance of your bow and archery accessories with the Buck Knives 738 Bow DRX. Features include 8 Torx head drivers with an additional No. 2 Phillips and flathead, 2-inch stainless steel black oxide coated drop point blade, and 7/8-inch light gauge utility scissors. Milled G10 handle in olive green. Heavy duty polyester sheath. The broadhead tool is perfect for installing replacement blades, tightening broadheads and tips, and removing the broadhead at the end of the season. Quarter, 5/16, and 3/8-inch hex holes. Triangular hole for pierce points, and star wrench for 2, 3, and 4 blade broadheads, with Buck's famous forever warranty.
Hi, my name is Daniel Londare and I'm the owner and designer behind Bucks Lawrence. Bucks Lawrence is a heritage dry goods company and we're bringing you the Key Post. In the production of our leather goods, we've acquired an excess of small leather remnants. The leather we use is from the tannery Horween. Renowned for its quality, we would hate to see it go to waste. In result, we have built the key post to replace your standard keychain. The key post is a quality, handmade approach to silencing your keys in an aesthetically pleasing manner. We wanted to eliminate the rattling of keys in our everyday lives, whether it be working, driving, or simply just walking. We have created 4 simple designs with similar yet individual functions. All 4 of the key posts have solved the problem of noisy keys. For Thrux Lawrence, the success of the key post would enable us to purchase equipment needed to improve the efficiency of production. By backing the key post will allow us to keep growing our Made in America company.
Just like your smartphone combines your apps, games, and media, Keyport combines your keys, everyday carry tools, and smart tech into the ultimate everyday multi-tool you will use dozens of times a day, every single day.
I've been designing multi-key devices for over 10 years. Today, I'm proud to introduce 2 new keyports with more multi-tool and tech features than ever before. The Keyport Slide 3.0, which works with our patented key blades, and the Keyport Pivot, based on some of my original designs from over a decade ago, works with your existing keys. Both new products are all metal and engineered to accept our brand new multi-tool and tech features such as the Bluetooth locator, knife blade, and LED flashlight. Each device is totally customizable for any type of user.
Keyport's mission is to create a system that allows each user to consolidate and customize their own unique set of tools and keys for everyday life. We try to integrate customer feedback into everything we do. The features in our new products are a direct result of our customers' requests. The Keyport Slide 3.0 is made of precision machined aircraft-grade aluminum with a spring steel frame. The ergonomic soft touch side plates are interchangeable with our new tech and tool modules. The Keyport key blades and inserts slide in and out with your thumb as needed. Like the Slide, the Keyport Pivot is made of aircraft aluminum with stainless steel components and works with our new tech and tool modules. The flexible linkage allows the device to expand from 4 to 9 of your existing keys and various Keyport inserts. Our new low-profile lanyard attachment locks to the end cap when not in use. The biggest complaint about keys is losing them. The tracker-compatible Keyport locator is a Bluetooth low-energy, crowdsourced locator that helps you keep track of your Keyport at all times. Our most popular request from EDCers is the addition of a knife blade, so we partnered with Klecker Knives to develop our knife module. The Keyport knife provides a sturdy cutting blade that can easily be removed for airline travel, and then just as quickly reattached when you unpack your luggage. We're creating a partner platform for makers, students, and companies to create compatible modules for our products. We can't wait to see what you come up with. To top it off, we have upgraded our Lost and Found program. This new online Lost and Found service connects owners and finders directly and anonymously at a click, with no middleman or number to call. Once you register your KeyPort with KeyPort ID, you'll be able to use that same number on your other valuables such as your phone, laptop, and even your wallet. Such a service typically costs around $20 per year, but we're including the first year free with any slide or pivot reward.
Whether you slide or pivot, pledge today and help us put a KeyPort in your pocket.